Hi friends! Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Let's open some more Woolworths and Big W mystery bricks packets, and let's hope and fingers crossed we don't get any double ups. Let's go. All right, the first thing is, this is a new one. We've not had this one. It's the compost bin. And look how exciting it looks. We've got stickers to put on too. Yay! Let's empty all the pieces out of the packet. Oh, there was a sneaky one hiding in there. Make sure there are none left. No. All right. So for this project, this compost bin, we have a brown rectangle, 2 green squares, another green darker square, this triangle brown one, and it looks like a little flower, this light green thing. So let's see how this all works. Okay, it looks like we put our stickers on first. That's what it's the instructions are saying. So it wants the circle little sticker on this piece here. So we'll get the circle sticker. Ah, yes, that makes sense because this circle sticker is the recycle symbol. So we put the circle sticker on first, as close to center as possible. And you know what? Aussie Mum didn't get it quite right, but that's okay. Then it wants, oh, goodness gracious, I don't know this. I guess it's this one. It's this one here. Wants a sticker on this side. So it's going to be this sticker here, I'd say. It's a sticker with a bit of soil, and it looks like a little, like ladybird and a little, I don't know, little plant. So we'll get that sticker off there. We'll turn our instructions back around. And we'll put our sticker there. Oh, it wasn't quite straight, but that's okay. That's no problem. Okay, so it wants us to put this lid on this piece here. Does it? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Rewind. I forgot to put another sticker on. Whoops. Oh. All right, now it wants us to put a sticker on this tiny little piece here, the smallest piece I've ever seen. And this sticker, as you can see, is just a smaller version of this one, the ladybird and the little plant. So we put, oh my goodness gracious. All right, how do we fit this on there? We just fit it on, don't we? We just do it. Goodness. All right. That's just going to have to do. Okay. So now we've got our pieces. Now it's asking for this to go on here. So will that go on there? It certainly should, because that's what the instructions say. So we're putting the dark green on top of the light green. Then we're putting that green on that green. Right, looks good so far. Then we put this on top of this according to the instructions. I hope that's right. And then we put that little triangle-y one there. Is this right? I think so. And then we put this little flower plant there. And we've done it. Yeah, we've done it. Is that pretty much the same? I think so. Yeah, okay. So we've got our compost bin. Amazing. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much for helping. I'll put the compost bin there. And I've got this packet here. Shall we open another one? Let's. What do we all think was going to be in this one? It's only very small. Only tiny little parts. Let's have a look. I'll give you guys first looks. And it is, it's another that we haven't had before. Geez, we're lucky. We're not getting many double ups. That's so good. All right. This is the cleaning squad or clean squad. And these are all the pieces. We've got this cylinder. And we've got this little black square. And we've got this that looks like a tube of something. And then we've got this that looks like the top of a bottle. So what the instructions are saying is to put the top of the bottle onto the cylinder. So we'll do it. There we go. That's pretty cool, huh? Cute. And now it just looks like we put the stickers on. Let's turn this around and we see what the stickers are. Oh, I see. Okay. So this big black one is Finish, which is a brand of soap, little soap capsules that go in your dishwasher. Wow, look at that. Finish Ultimate. And guess what? It's double-sided. So we get to put another sticker on. Who loves stickers? I do. Tell me in the comments what your favourite type of sticker is. I like animal stickers. There we go. So that one's done. And then the next thing is this. And it's toothpaste. And I bet you it goes on this, because that looks like toothpaste, doesn't it? So let's peel the sticker. Oh my goodness, this is a tiny sticker. Goodness gracious. Now we get that as best we can on the tube. And you know what? It's not perfect, but that's okay. We can try again because we've got another sticker to put on the other side. Let's get this sticker off. Oh, they're so tiny. All right. Now, put this sticker on. Again, not perfect, but that's okay. Now, this thing looks like a psh, 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 cleaner. And what is it going to be? That is so tiny, I can't even read it. It's a body wash. And if you can hear my little doggy in the background, he thinks it's great too. So we put the body wash on the label. Wow. Body wash is like soap, but in liquid form. You can squirt it onto your hand and use it just like you would any other soap. And there we go. Yay! Oh, look at us. And that one was called the Clean Squad. So we've got a cleaning for your dishes, cleaning for your teeth, and cleaning for your body. That's really fun. Pop them all up there. Now look at this. Got more packets to open, but I'm not going to open it in this video. I will definitely open it in the next video. So what I need you to do is press the like button, press subscribe, and don't forget to tap the notifications bell so you won't miss the next time I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one.